A new copper-encased ITX PC case is turning heads for its extreme design. This thing looks freaking sick. The 14.2 liter system weighs 47.4 pounds, nearly twice as heavy as the aluminum version, but it uses the copper shell as passive cooling, eliminating the need for fans. It's almost 50 pounds, guys. Jesus Christ. The case relies on copper's high thermal conductivity to dissipate heat, offering silent operation even under load. While impractical for most users, it's a striking example of niche engineering aimed at enthusiasts who value unique builds with zero noise setups. Its massive weight and cost, which has yet to be released, is more of a showcase item than a mainstream option, but definitely highlights how far PC case innovation can go. Let me know in the comments below, is this something that you're interested in or that you would buy just to have a zero noise setup?